Hey everyone, welcome to Willie's Travel Ideas. So glad you're here. You know that feeling on Valentine's Day, the chocolates, the flowers, the extra love in the air. Why keep it to just one day? Today's video is all about keeping that Valentine spirit alive all year, with 50 ways to do it. We're talking big gestures, small moments, and everything in between. It's not about spending a ton, it's about making memories. Think of this as your ultimate relationship playbook. So grab your partner, grab a notebook and get ready for inspiration. Hit like, subscribe, and drop your favorite idea in the comments. Let's get started. Number 1. Surprise your partner with breakfast in bed. Nothing says I love you like coffee and pancakes made for you. Number 2. Plan a spontaneous weekend getaway. Just pack a bag, hit the road, and see where you both end up. Number 3. Leave little love notes around the house, on the mirror, in their lunch bag or steering wheel. Tiny surprises, big impact. Number 4. Cook a favorite meal together. Put on music, pour wine, and make your kitchen the best restaurant. Number 5. Take a dance class. Salsa, ballroom, whatever. You might step on toes, but you'll laugh together. Number 6. Schedule regular date nights and actually put them in your calendar, just like you would a board meeting. Making time for each other is truly the best investment. Number 7. Try a new hobby together, like pottery, rock climbing, or guitar. Grow, learn, and have fun as a team. Number 8. Volunteer as a couple. Walk dogs at a shelter or serve food at a soup kitchen together. Doing good feels amazing. Number 9. Stop what you're doing and watch the sunset together. No phones allowed, just soak in the moment. Number 10. Create a couple's bucket list. Dream big together, write down your wildest ideas, and plan future adventures as a team. Number 11. Revisit your first date spot. Relive those butterflies, the nostalgia, and remember what made you fall in love. Number 12. Write a real, heartfelt letter, pen to paper. Tell them exactly why you love them. It's a keepsake forever. Number 13. Take a scenic hike. Get out in nature and conquer a trail. The view is always better together. Number 14. Have a technology-free evening. Put away all your devices, just talk, play a game, and truly reconnect together. Number 15. Make a scrapbook of your memories. Print out those favorite photos, add ticket stubs, and tell your story. Number 16. Celebrate the small milestones, like finishing a tough week, a new plant, or a shared laugh together. High fives. Number 17. Give unexpected compliments like, "You have a great laugh." Just a few kind words can go far. Number 18. Plan a movie marathon night together. Pick a fun theme, grab your favorite popcorn, and just relax, enjoying each other's company. Number 19. Have a couple's spa day at home. Face masks, foot rubs, bubble baths. Relax together without spending a fortune. Number 20. Take a cooking class together. Learn to make sushi, pasta, or desserts. It's fun and delicious. Number 21. Go stargazing. Lay out a blanket, look up at the stars. It's romantic, humbling, and totally free. Number 22. Share your dreams and goals, both big and small. What are you excited about and why do they matter? Number 23. Make a playlist of your songs, the soundtrack to your relationship, and relive your favorite moments together through music. Number 24. Take silly selfies together. Don't try to look perfect. Make funny faces, use goofy filters, capture fun moments. Number 25. Surprise each other with small gifts like favorite candy, a cool rock, or a book. Thoughtfulness always wins. Number 26. Write a book together, either out loud or separately, then discuss it. It's your own private book club. Number 27, plan a themed dinner night. Taco Tuesday, Italian night, or Hawaiian luau. Add decorations and music. Number 28, go on a picnic. Just a blanket, a basket, and a nice spot to relax together. Classic, romantic, and easy. Number 29, take a scenic drive with no set destination. Just enjoy the open road, the journey, and great conversation together. Number 30, try a new restaurant together. Step out of your comfort zone and maybe discover a delicious new favorite spot. Number 31, attend a live event, concert, sports game, comedy show, or play. The energy is truly unforgettable. Number 32, make a vision board as a couple. Cut out pictures that represent your shared goals and dreams together. Number 33, practice gratitude together as a couple. Each night, share 3 things you're grateful for, whether it's about each other, your relationship, or just life in general. Number 34, take a fitness class together. Yoga, CrossFit, spinning, or whatever you both enjoy most. Motivate each other, celebrate your strength, and remember, you're a team in and out of the gym. Number 35. Create a couple's tradition like pancakes every Sunday or always watching the first snowfall together. Make something uniquely yours. Number 36. Watch old home videos or look at photo albums, laugh at the outfits, and remember all the good times. Number 37. Plan a surprise date. One person plans everything, the other just shows up. The mystery makes it so exciting. Number 38. Go on a double date with friends and enjoy connecting with your partner in a fun social setting together. Number 39. Take a day trip to a nearby town, explore, try the local diner, and act like happy tourists together. Number 40. Make breakfast together on weekends. No rush, no stress. Savor the moment and enjoy starting the day as a team. Number 41. Try a new board game together. A little friendly competition is healthy, fun, and brings people closer together. Number 42. Write a poem for your partner, silly or serious, but make it heartfelt. It's the thought that counts. Number 43. Take a pottery or art class, get creative and make something together for a unique souvenir. Number 44. Go for a bike ride together, explore a new path or cruise your neighborhood, fun and healthy. Number 45. Make a time capsule, write letters, include photos, and bury it. Promise to open in 5 years. Number 46. Plan a staycation, turn off work, order takeout, and explore your city like a tourist. Zero travel stress. Number 47. Share a favorite childhood memory with your partner. Take turns telling stories and discover something new together. Number 48. Create a couple's mantra. A short, positive phrase like, "We're a team." It helps you both feel truly connected. Number 49. Celebrate your relationship for no reason at all. Declare it Us Day, grab some cake, exchange little gifts, and just enjoy each other. You don't need an anniversary to celebrate love. Number 50. Live smart. Let that Valentine's Day love continue all year long. Show love every single day, thoughtful and consistent. And that's a wrap. 50 ideas to keep the love alive all year. Thanks for joining me on Willie's Travel Ideas. I hope you found inspiration to keep that Valentine's feeling going all year. Remember, it's about small, consistent acts of love and appreciation. Now I want to hear from you. What was your favorite idea? Or do you have a number 51 to share? Drop it in the comments. If you had fun, hit like and subscribe for more adventures. Go out there, try one of these ideas this week. Surprise your partner, make a memory, and keep that love alive. Not just in February, but every day. And for more of the best travel tips, visit www.williguru.com. Yes, you have to check out the funny short for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.